Hello everybody, greetings for everyone. The reason behind making this video is many people have asked me about the details pertaining to restitution of conjugal rights. So I felt that it would be better for everybody if I make this video so that they can just view this and understand what exactly is this law all about. So now, before speaking about restitution of conjugal rights, I would like to speak about Hindu Marriage Act 1955. In Hindu Marriage Act 1955, there are various sections that deal with these marriages of Hindus and the marriage that was customized according to Hindu rules and regulations and customary. And this being the scenario, Section 9 in Hindu Marriage Act speaks about restitution of conjugal rights. Now, let me tell you what is restitution. Restitution is nothing but restoring, and conjugal is nothing but marital relationship, in the sense marriage relationship. It is restoring the marriage relationship that has lost between the husband and the wife. And this act is applicable, this section is applicable for both male as well as female. And in the case, like I would like to explain you, if the wife has left the marital relationship or the conjugal society of the husband has got all the rights to file this petition. That is restitution of conjugal rights petition. And in the same way, if the husband have left the wife's conjugal society, that is the marital society, the wife has got all the rights to place a case on the husband. So it is the right reserved for both husband as well as to the wife. And what circumstances these cases can be filed and where it can be filed. These cases can be filed in family courts, district courts, as well as subordinate courts. In addition to this, these cases are for rejoining, as I have explained you, and the court has to feel that the petition launched is genuine. There are 3 points which has to be noted here. The first thing is whether the partner has got a legal relation and a valid married conjugal relationship with the husband is the first point. Second point is whether there is any strong reason behind deserting the partner. And the other thing is whether the court is getting satisfied with the petition or the allegations that is made by the petitioner or by the plaintiff. So these 3 things has to be taken into note before filing this petition. And once the petition is filed, the court would order for a counseling for both the parties. In the sense, for both husband as well as wife, the court would order for a counseling, and there would be a counseling team equipped with advocates or any other prominent personalities who would wish and will to counsel the people, in the sense who has got the disputes regarding their family life. And the court would take all the necessary steps to rejoin them and to standardize their marital relationship. And in case if the other party is not cooperating, or if the court feels that the petition launched and the allegations made in the petition are genuine, it would order a decree for restituting the conjugal rights of the petitioner. And in the same way, in case if the court feels that there is a legal sanctity in leaving the partner or leaving the marital relationship with a partner, if the court feels that, then it has got all the rights to dismiss the petition also. In this regard, I would like to explain you one prominent case of T. Sarita versus Venkata Subbaiah. In this case, what has happened is, T. Sarita, probably you all must be knowing, she is a famous South Indian actress. And her husband was Mr. Venkata Subbaiah. He lodged a petition in the court asking that she has to come back to him for restituting the conjugal rights. But in the same way, what Sarita's answer to the court was, she was a busy actress, she was then in Madras, and she cannot come back since she has got all the fundamental rights to lead her life and to lead the way she wants to lead the life according to the wish of her profession. That is, according to her wish, she can choose her profession. The court has given a judgment stating that there is no need of passing a degree in favor of Venkata Subbaiah. So there are so many landmark judgments in this where the petitions were failed and the petitions were approved also. So any person to whose partner has deserted him or her have all the rights in launching this petition. As I have explained you all the terms, and hope this video would be helpful to you for your future references. Thank you.